Hi there, I'm KYLEN Fountain. I'm the 8th grade art teacher at Cavelero Mid-High. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at all these great artworks by our students and for taking the time to look at these wonderful pets that still need a home. We hope that you definitely think about these pets and maybe adopting them or donating to Paws with Cause, or just maybe trying out some artwork. It can be so much fun to just make artwork for yourself or for other people. And one of the biggest suggestions I tell my students when they're starting to make artwork is just to believe in yourself. Artwork is just a combination of a whole bunch of smudgies all put together, and if you can start thinking of it as something that's totally possible, then you'll be surprised at what you can create. Have fun.
Hey, this is Mayor Brett Gailey from the City of Lake Stevens. I'd like to express my thanks to Paws with the Cause and the work that they do for our great four-legged friends of our community. Keep doing the great work with the Lake Stevens Library and as well as Cavelero Middle School. Go Paws with the Cause.